Imagine this. You're going on an exciting school picnic. You can't wait to have fun with your friends, eat delicious food, and sleep under the stars. But when you get there, oh no, you forgot your lunch, you forgot your water bottle, and even your sleeping bag. You have nothing. What will you do now? This is exactly what happened to a boy named Sam, a boy who hated responsibilities. But little did he know, this one mistake would change his life forever. Sam was 11 years old. He was smart, he was fun, and full of energy. But he was careless. His mother did everything for him. She packed his school bag. She reminded him to finish his homework. She even woke him up every morning. He never cleaned his room. He never helped at home. And the worst part? He blamed others when things went wrong. One day, Sam's teacher made a big announcement. "We're going on a school picnic." Each student had to bring their own lunch, water bottle, and sleeping bag. Sam rushed home, bursting with excitement. "Mom, pack everything for me." But this time, his mother smiled and said, "Sam, you're old enough now. This time you must do it yourself." Sam rolled his eyes. "Ugh, fine. I'll do it later." But he didn't. Instead, he played video games all night and completely forgot to pack. The next morning, Sam ran to school, empty-handed, and that's when everything went wrong. At the picnic, his friends opened their lunches. Sam's stomach growled with hunger. They drank from their water bottles. Sam sat there, thirsty. At bedtime, everyone had warm sleeping bags. Sam had nothing. He sat under the open sky, cold, tired, and completely alone. No one had extras, because everyone was responsible for themselves. Sam sat near the campfire, feeling miserable. His teacher, Mr. Tenzin, noticed him and said gently, "Sam, let me tell you a story. A long time ago, in a small village, there lived a lazy boy named Jin. His father was a hard-working farmer, but Jin never helped on the farm. He always said, 'My father will do everything for me.' One day, his father fell ill. Before going to bed, he said to Jin, 'Tomorrow, you must water the crops, or they will die.' Jin nodded, but the next morning, he forgot. He played with his friends all day. Days passed. The crops began to dry up. When his father recovered, he looked at the withered fields and gasped. Jin panicked. "Father, do something." But his father shook his head. "It was your responsibility, Jin. Now, the crops are gone. We have no food this season." That winter, Jin and his father went hungry. And for the first time, Jin understood. His carelessness had real consequences. From that day on, he changed. He helped on the farm, he took responsibility, and he never made the same mistake again. As Sam listened to the story, he realized something powerful. He was just like Jin. His forgotten lunch, his missing water bottle, his cold, sleepless night. These were his crops. And just like Jin, he had ignored them. Now, he was facing the consequences. When Sam got home, he looked at his mother and said, "Mom, I'm sorry. I want to change." And from that day on, he did. He started waking up on time without any reminders. He packed his own school bag and never forgot again. He helped with house chores, and his mom looked happier. His teachers stopped scolding him. His friends trusted him more. One day, Mr. Tenzin smiled and said, "Sam, you remind me of someone." Sam grinned. "Jin? The farmer's son?" Mr. Tenzin nodded. "Yes, and just like him, you've learned something very important. Responsibility doesn't make life harder, it makes it better." And that is the secret, my friends. If you ignore responsibility, you will struggle. But if you take responsibility, life will reward you. Sam's life became easier, happier, better. All because he made one important choice. He chose to change. Now it's your turn. Are you taking responsibility for your life? Do you wake up on time? Or do you wait for someone to yell at you? Do you finish your homework? Or do you make excuses? Do you take care of your things? Or do you blame others when things go wrong? If you want to be strong, independent, and successful, start today. Start now. And hey, if this story inspired you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more powerful stories. And share this with your friends. Let's grow together. Until next time, take responsibility and watch how your life transforms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, the best is yet to come. You got this.